Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We finally got the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. Been waiting for a long time to put these tires on the car. I am putting it on the stock rims. So Michelin for some reason does not make the standard size for our cars, so I had to go with 325 30s, 19s in the back, and 305 30 in the front. You guys can see that right there. 305 30s in the front, 325s in the back. It's a little bit oversized, but it won't give me that little that stretch look that's currently on the car now. Let me show you guys. The car's been sitting for a minute, so it won't give you the stretch look that the car currently has. So it's going to give me a little bit more meat. It's going to sit lower, which kind of eager to see. So it's going to sit a little bit lower, and it's not going to have that stretch look. It's going to have that meaty look right here. It's going to have a lot of meat. All right, so I know the car is kind of dirty. Haven't driven the car since October. Sad to say. I have not driven the car since October. What the fuck? Oh, I thought that was a scratch. Oh, I had to say, what the hell? Yeah, so this is the stance with the 4 performance springs and stock tires. The currently stock tires right now. So it should sit a little bit lower than this. I should have took some pictures, but I didn't. Damn. So we here at Camber Tow. We're getting the tow link is installed. On this side, we got this one installed here, and we're gonna put in the rear studs, wheel studs. It's going in, and also we got the bump steer kit and steer right there. That's going in. That's about to go in too. So we're looking good right now. We're looking real good right now, man. Look nice and blue up in there. They're gonna retune all this for me. All right, so let me talk to the man, Randy.
Is this a real Shelby?
Yeah, he's asking me if this is a real Shelby. Of course it's a real Shelby. Yeah, it's a real Shelby.
It has all kinds of trick shit. You're putting more trick stuff.
Yeah, it got all kind of trick shit, but, you know, I'm putting a little bit more trick shit on it, you know? Oh, man.
I love Mustangs.
Huh?
They got the sound of its own.
Say again?
I watch it. They have a sound of their own.
It's that flat plain crank. Huh?
When you go to the car show in Belmore all the time, you can hear them when they
come up, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it has a distinct sound. That Voodoo engine, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beast.
The Hellcat and the Caddy were racing one night. You know, the Caddy had the Hellcat by a half a car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, them caddies is fast.
Huh?
Well, like CTSV or something?
Caddy is a badass car.
Yeah, CTSV, man.
I mean, that was a Hellcat, though. I thought the Hellcat was supposed to be top man in the alley, you know?
Yeah, but them CTSV, when you do some nice work to it, man, them things run hard. Ain't no joke.
I swear to God. They were way away from where they started. I said, holy shit,
yeah.
Down by a fender. The Cadillac. Didn't think that would happen.
Yep. Oh, we got one tire on already. Oh, that's my one tire. That's the
yeah,
back.
That's like a fucking slick. Look at
Yeah, 325. That's my rear right there. So
yeah.
We got the rear on already. 325s, 30s.
You never went to Belmore, did you?
Yeah, I've been to Belmore. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. I got some nice cars out there.
They ruined it now because
yeah.
Now they want money, you park. You know?
Yeah, all kind of crazy shit, man.
Yeah,
Back in the days, it was a.
You know why? Because they got insurance. They pay.
Oh, okay.
We never had insurance. What the hell are you talking about?
So now you got to pay to park and all that. I can't do all that, man.
Well, it's unbelievable. They
got some nice cars out there. Real nice cars.
Friday night.
Real nice cars, man. Yeah, I'm gonna start going out there. Once I get my car set up, it's gonna go back out there.
You gotta be out there.
Yeah. Real nice, man, out there. That's how we're looking right now. All right, let me go talk to Randy, give him the spec.
He's in a snap-on truck.
Okay, give him the spec for the alignment. Yeah, these guys, man, if you want to get your car to line, this is where you come, boy. If you're in the New York area, man, Nassau County, Suffolk County, this is where you come, man. All right, these are the rear. Oh, sorry. This is the front. The front. Still in pretty good condition, the front tires. So the front here. Austin Pilot 4S. We're gonna make a big difference to the car, big difference. And my other rear. So you see that little extra meat. Thinking should I still do the spaces on there? That shit's a bitch to get off, right? Yeah, right? Yeah, man, that's why I gave up on that. Look at you gotta go through all of that, man.
Ain't even no fucking room.
No room, right?
No room, man.
Nothing.
No room.
Yeah, this is a bitch, man.
That's why they gotta put the whipping boy on there.
Yeah. I gave up on this job right here. Leave it to the professionals. I sure as hell wasn't gonna do it. But yeah, that's what we're looking like right now, man. Cars should be done soon, hopefully. Let these guys get back to work.